Each year, more than 30 million visitors go to Africa. The top safari destination in the world is located on the continent. Few experiences in the world can compare to seeing wild creatures in their native habitats, making a safari a popular choice for travelers' bucket lists. Several national parks in Africa are worth visiting, including the Serengeti in Tanzania, the Masai Mara in Kenya, the Kruger in South Africa, the Chobe in Botswana, the Wang in Zimbabwe, and the Zambezi in Zambia, among others, from East Africa to Southern Africa. But with open windows and no roof, and being so near to wild creatures, it raises the question, which species are dangerous to us? Are safaris generally safe? In this video, we'll discuss the most dangerous animals in Africa. Please subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Let us take a look at the 10 creatures that are most deadly in Africa. Number 10. Rhinoceros. On the planet, rhinoceroses are the second largest terrestrial animals after elephants. Elephants are the largest. White rhinos weigh close to 500 kilograms, about 5,000 pounds. Both the white and the black rhinoceros are found in Africa and are on the verge of extinction there. Poaching, which is the unlawful hunting of rhinos, most often for their horns, causes their population to decrease every day. Rhinos have poor vision, a short fuse, and cannot see very far or very well. Because of this, they pose a threat to any human beings who could come in their path. Rhinos are notorious for charging their opponent's head on while brandishing their horns as weapons. It is necessary to use extreme care while in the vicinity of rhinos since it is unclear how many people have been murdered by rhinos. Number 9. Lion. In Africa, lions are responsible for the deaths of around 70 individuals each year. Lions who prey on people are often weak, damaged, or old males. Sometimes they are even ill. There is a school of thought among scientists that these weaker males target people rather than their typical food because humans provide an easier meal. Animals like zebras and gazelles have a speed advantage over humans when it comes to running. In addition, humans lack the hazardous hooves and horns that might cause injury to a lion when it is hunting. Number 8. Cape buffalo. The Cape buffalo is a massive and imposing kind of animal. They congregate in vast herds and watch out for one another with the help of their massive horns and incredible physical prowess. Even lions avoid the Cape buffalo since there is a strong probability that they may be injured or killed in the process. It is well known that Cape buffalo defend themselves by attacking in big herds. Each year, Cape buffalo are responsible for the deaths of around 200 people. Number 7. Elephant. Another animal native to Africa that is in perilous straits is the elephant. Elephants found in Africa may weigh up to 13,000 pounds each and are the biggest terrestrial mammals found anywhere in the world. Poachers pose one of the greatest dangers to these sensitive and clever mammals since they often kill them for their tusks. Poaching is one of the most dangerous forms of wildlife trafficking. Elephants who perceive themselves to be in danger from people will not hesitate to attack, with male elephants being responsible for the majority of fatalities to humans. About 500 people are killed by elephants every year. If you are enjoying watching this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Number 6. Hippopotamus. Hippos call the water and its surrounding areas in Africa home. They have a tremendous sense of territorial pride and would fight to the death to defend their land against any perceived aggressors. Hippos can sprint 20 miles per hour and have enormous jaws with tusks that are 20 inches long and appear like big fangs. Approximately 3,000 people are killed by hippos every year. Number 5. Nile crocodile. This terrifying beast may reach a length of up to 16 feet and weigh up to around 500 pounds. The habitats of people and Nile crocodiles are often intertwined. That indicates that crocodiles and people have frequent opportunities to interact with one another. The Nile crocodile can camouflage itself by remaining submerged in water, leaving just its eyes and snout visible. Water sources used by humans are shared with other species. They go to the water to fish, bathe, or wash their clothing. This is the time of year that sees the highest number of fatalities caused by crocodiles. In Africa, Nile crocodiles are responsible for the deaths of at least 3,000 humans every single year. Number 4. Tsetse fly. Tsetse flies are known to feed on human blood. It does not appear all that different from a typical housefly, does it? Despite this, it is responsible for around 10,000 fatalities among humans each year. A parasite that is responsible for sleeping sickness is carried by the tsetse fly. It also contains another sort of parasite that is comparable to the one that kills cattle and other animals. It is possible to avoid death by receiving treatment for sleeping sickness. Number 3. Black mamba. The black mamba is not as dark as its name suggests. Its slender, light grayish, brown body is rather long. The tongue and the roof of its mouth, on the other hand, are both as dark as coal. The black mamba is among the most poisonous snakes that may be found anywhere in the globe. The quantity of venom contained in a single bite is sufficient to cause the death of 12 adult males within 1 hour. The snake is capable of reaching speeds of up to 12 miles per hour and is notorious for pursuing humans. One of the most dreaded snakes in Africa is the black mamba, which may reach lengths of up to 2.4 meters, 8 feet. Number 2. Puff adder. The puff adder is likely one of the most dangerous snakes in Africa and is responsible for the deaths of the greatest number of humans on an annual basis. It is a well-disguised snake that hibernates if someone gets close to it. Other snakes usually run away. People do not see it laying there because it stays so motionless and it blends in so perfectly with its surroundings. The vast majority of snake bites happen when someone stumbles on a snake by mistake. It is unknown precisely how many people are killed by puff adders on an annual basis. Nevertheless, it is estimated that over 30,000 people a year are killed by snake bites in Africa. Number 1. Mosquito. The mosquito tops our chart as the most dangerous animal despite having the lowest body size. It is responsible for more human deaths than any of the other creatures on this list put together. Mosquitoes are responsible for the deaths of more than 1 million people annually due to the illnesses they transmit. Malaria, dengue fever, and yellow fever are some of the illnesses that fall within this category. More than 3,000 African youngsters are lost to malaria-related deaths every single day. This video has come to an end. Please make sure to like this video if you find it informative. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for future updates. See you in the next video.